Hey guys, what's going on? Good afternoon. I'm here to tell you a little bit about peanut butter that I've been purchasing. It's creamy salted peanut butter by Trader Joe's. The net weight of this product is 16 ounces or 1 pound or 454 grams. So I love peanut butter. I'm a huge peanut butter person. I put this in everything from peanut butter and jelly sandwich to oatmeal to peanut butter cookies to being disgusting and just eating it right out of the jar because I'm just obsessed with peanut butter. I love Trader Joe's brand stuff. I've never been disappointed with it. I purchase Trader Joe's brand pretty often. I'm probably there like every other week, but I know a lot of people don't have a Trader Joe's near them, so an excellent option is to just purchase online. So this container is plastic. Of course, it's recyclable. Go to the back, they have the nutrition facts. Nutrition facts, serving size is 2 tablespoons. Servings per container about 14. Calories 190. Fat calories 140. Percent daily values are based on a 2,000 calorie diet. Total fat 16 grams, saturated fat 2 grams, trans fat 0 grams, polyunsaturated fat 5 grams, monounsaturated fat 8 grams, cholesterol 0 milligrams, vitamin A 0%, vitamin C 0%, calcium 2%, and iron 4%. Sodium 140 milligrams, potassium 200 milligrams, total carbohydrate 7 grams, fiber 2 grams, sugars 1 gram, and protein 7 grams. And on the bottom here it says vitamin A 0%, vitamin C 0%, calcium 2%, and iron 4%. So for me, like, I'm a vegetarian, so you know, having peanut butter is a great way for me to get protein since there's 7 grams in a serving. Because, you know, sometimes as a vegetarian, your protein could be like a little, not that it's hard to get, but it could be a little bit lacking because it's not in things that you would just think that you could, you know, get it in every day, if that makes sense. Like, you know, people that eat everything, they basically get most of their protein from meat, but it's very simple to get it. If you're vegan or vegetarian, it just requires a little bit more thought, I believe, in my opinion. So this is just a nice, easy, fun way because I love peanut butter anyway. So ingredients are dry roasted peanuts and salts. The product is distributed and sold exclusively by Trader Joe's in Monrovia, California, 91016. Contains peanuts, of course. Is a product of the USA. So I like the container itself. It's like orange and yellow. From unblanched peanuts. It is kosher. Very simple twist off container there. And I keep it refrigerated. So you do, I mean, not like crazy, but you do have to stir it up a little bit because it could get like somewhat oily in the top. Wow, that smells fabulous. I just love peanut butter so much. So it's very spreadable, like very easy to use, obviously, just as easy as any other peanut butter. I don't know, because like I know if you buy like Jiffy and like those brands, like you don't have to refrigerate them. I guess, I don't know if it's like the way it's made, maybe, because it's like, maybe because it's made from, I don't know if it's because it's made from unblanched peanuts. I was just trying to figure out why it doesn't have to, why it does have to be refrigerated once it's opened and the other ones don't. I guess because it's more natural. Maybe because they don't add, I guess the other brands add sugar and stuff like that. So that would make sense. So I always just keep it refrigerated. Like once it's refrigerated, it could be like a little bit like, it's not as soft as if it's not refrigerated. You know, but it's still very spreadable and very easy to use. And I usually, oh, I forgot to mention, I use this peanut butter. What I use the most peanut butter in is smoothies. So I just go and scoop out like 2 big spoonfuls, and then I'll add in my berries, my banana, my almond milk, my ice, and then I'll my protein powder, and then I'll just blend this all up together. So it's fabulous for that too. And I think it's healthier. Like it's not as much sugar as, there's only 1 gram of sugar, so it's not as much sugar as like Jif and, you know, Skippy and brands like that. So I think that's something that you could feel good about giving yourself and giving your kids, because it's less sugar, but it's still delicious. Trader Joe's creamy salted peanut butter from unblanched peanuts. It says here, stir. Hope you guys found the video useful, and I thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, everybody.